Hello and welcome back everyone to the free video series on generative AI training with Anubhav on anubhavtrainings.com. In the last episode, we clearly find out the difference between generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. In today's episode, we will look at some of the key building blocks of agentic AI. So, without wasting further time, let's get started. So look at this building blocks of an agentic AI system. So it has got tools like calendar, calculator, code interpreter, search, all the tools which are standard tools. For example, from LangChain framework, it has got actions. So actions can be taken through these tools like triggering an calendar invite or scheduling a meeting with the manager. And then at the heart of it is an agent which is able to take autonomous decisions. Suppose if you give the agent an access to your bank account, it will be able to do the booking for the ticket. Or if you give to your crypto wallet, it will be able to make trades automatically. It has got a memory, so it can have a short term or a long term memory. Like you can set some rules, and based on that it can make decisions, autonomous decisions. It has multi-step planning and multi-step reasoning, so it can check reflection points, it can do self critics, it can have chain of thoughts, and it can also have sub goal decomposition. Like to perform a very complex task, it can decompose that into multiple tasks. It can also interact with another agents to complete and fulfill certain tasks. With that, thank you so much for watching this video with me today. If you feel this content is helping you, kindly subscribe and share this channel in the WhatsApp group of your company teams. And I hope to see you in my next episode. Happy learning. Till then, goodbye and see you again.